Good morning, I'm Dr. Deukmedjian. I'm sitting here with one of my lovely patients from Ohio. Turns out she is a nurse practitioner. She came to Deuk Spine Institute with back pain. She's been suffering for 10 years. And we have a movie, it's called Spine Scam. And in that movie, we talk about how the industry, the biomedical device industry, we call them the implant industry. They manufacture screws, rods, and spinal cord stimulators and such. She went through 2 fusions on her back. She had the first one at L4-5, and then she developed adjacent segment disease, had a second set of fusions. She has all the scar tissue, pain and suffering, and she's still on pain medication. Why did you choose Deuk Spine Institute?
Well, my physicians, once they found the ADS, the adjacent segment disease, they told me I needed a 3rd fusion. And I recall how I suffered with the 2nd fusion in particular, and I did not want to go through that again. So I did my research, got on Facebook support groups, and your name came up. And I researched you. So that's why I called your office and got established.
So you came to our Zoom call. We did a free MRI review, correct? How was the free MRI review experience?
Easy. You had all my films there and report, and you explained everything that you could do for me. We did a self-exam with my husband holding my camera, and you told me what I needed done. So I researched that, then discovered that, yes, that's where my pain is, and that's what I need treated, and that's why I'm here. You spoke to me personally, and I felt very comfortable with that and knew I was in the right place.
So we did the Deuk laser disc repair, adjacent segment L2-3. After the disc, we did your facet joint, rhizotomy with the Deuk Plasma Rhizotomy, which is a permanent rhizotomy. You don't have to come back and get it ever done again. And then we treated your SI joints and your piriformis muscles. So you had a lot. So what's life going to be like for you now when you return home?
Well, I like to quilt and sew, so I'm going to get back in that. And I have 7 grandchildren under the age of 9, and they're all close to me, so I'm going to get more involved in their lives.
Anything else you want to say to your fans out there or friends and family?
Florida is a wonderful state, and the Deuk Spine Institute is amazing. Every single staff person here is amazing, and I felt so comfortable, and there would not be a reason for you not to come.
Thank you. Enjoy life.
Thank you.